Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Today we're gonna talk about iPhone 17 Air. This would be one of the most unique phone and one of the slimmest phone gonna release this year from Apple. Let's talk about the display. Display would be 6.9 inches, that is 1320 into 2868 pixel. It would have 458 pixel density. It's a good pixel dense phone, but not one of the best. Obviously 6.9 inches, that would be 116.7 centimeters square, 92.2% skin to body ratio. Dimension of the phone would be 160 into 77.6 into 5.5 millimeter. Weight could be 160 grams. Obviously will not have any physical SIM, eSIM, not even for the European market. In chipset section, you'd have A19 chipset from Apple, the new chipset for 2025. Let's talk about the camera. The main camera, only unique camera, it will be 48 megapixel single camera. And the front camera could be 24 megapixel camera or 12 megapixel camera. As iPhone 17, all of them should have 24 megapixel camera is rumored, but I'm not sure. So between 24 or 12. Obviously feature as HDR and 4K video is available. The refresh rate of the screen would be 120 Hz. Battery would be 3000 mAh, that is little bit low because the display is 6.9 inches. In iPhone 17 battery would be 5000. In iPhone 16, if I'm not wrong, it is 4500 mAh. So the charge of the phone would decline very fast. So this phone would be attractive for the budget phone lover from Motorola, LG, from these companies. If you are a regular iPhone user, you are using iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max, you may not like this one. As I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max and I'm using iPhone every version, the Pro, Pro Max or Plus version, it may not be a good choice for me. So what do you think? Is it worthy from Apple to release this type of budget phone, or is not necessary? Okay guys, so these are some of the information so far we know about iPhone 17 Air. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.